Good morning, Jamasi. We are going to sing a very special number, and probably you will not know anything because this is a South Indian language. And the song is called Heaven, and the Lord Jesus is going to come, and then I am excited about the Lord's coming, and also when He comes with the trumpet sound, I am going to meet Him in the air. That's what it says. So the song is from Malayalam, and we are going to sing in Malayali. Okay, Malayali means in the language of the Kerala people. Okay. Swarganatile priyathidam swadabhidil chernidua mamadhakane undukanuban manamkadupatidunu mamadhakane undukanuban manamkadupatidunu marubhumiye aladatiya marubhunduni krupaya orunalumni piriyatene parutunukan manipo orunalumni piriyatene parutunukan manipo Swarganatile priyathidam swadabhidil chernidua mamadhakane undukanuban manamkadupatidunu mamadhakane undukanuban manamkadupatidunu dalanadane ninakaiya velacheyumandambare aladere sanedevara ilaparil nisamavu aladere sanedevara ilaparil nisamavu Swarganatile priyathidam swadabhidil chernidua mamadhakane undukanuban manamkadupatidunu mamadhakane undukanuban manamkadupatidunu Kadrukalam manilkekuban kalamayale priyane asayerune come.